Today, I'll show you how to turn fresh herbs and cucumbers into a delightful, refreshing dessert, sugar-free cucumber mint granita. Let's dive in. For this recipe, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: fresh cucumber slices, fragrant mint leaves, water, and if you like, a sugar alternative. It's uncomplicated, but oh so tasty. First, grab those cucumbers and slice them up, then pluck your mint leaves. We're going to blend them together until smooth. Imagine vibrant green liquid bursting with flavor. Yum! Now, pour the cucumber and mint into your blender. Add water and blend until frothy and smooth. This gorgeous mixture is what will make our granita so special. Once blended, pour it into a shallow dish and pop it in the freezer. Every half hour, take a fork and scrape it to create those fluffy ice crystals. And voila! Your cucumber mint granita is ready to enjoy. Serve it in a bowl and let it cool you down. Don't forget to subscribe for more garden magic.